It's JC Motorcycle Superstore. I've got the Antigravity's Micro-Start XP-1. This is the upscale model. We're going to give it a test here on a 5.3 liter Chevy V8. This is my truck. I've already done this a couple times with the battery hooked up, but just for grins, we've completely disconnected the cable, so you're going to see it done without any battery assist power. Let's give it a shot. All right. 4 bars. It says it's supposed to jump start a V8 if it has 4 bars or more, so we should be good. The jump starter is really easy. Pull out this plug cover on the side. You can't cross them up because one is a D shape and one is round. Plug it in. All right, let's give it a shot. I hear beeping, that's a good sound. That's pretty awesome.